At the end of financial year or the tax year, you sit at your desk and you see multiple folders, piles of receipts, and never-ending bank statements with transactions that you are not sure what they mean, what they relate to, and even if you have made these payments. And you start to wonder if there is a more controlled and automated approach to keep all in one place. You reach out to a friend who has a small business and he advises you to look up accounting software. But when you search online, there are hundreds of free and paid accounting softwares that kind of does not make sense to you. And you start to get lost in all those packages and services provided. You are in the crossroads and debate if it will be a good free accounting software and do its job, or maybe you should choose a paid software, as if you pay for it, then for sure it is better than the free version. You start to worry that there are hidden tricks of having a free accounting software, and you start to lean towards a paid accounting software, as you think, well, nothing is for free nowadays. But you might be wrong.
Hi guys, I'm Rita. I have been in your shoes as well and had a mindset that paid services for sure will be the best choice. But based on my personal experience, not always. In today's episode, I will dive deep into your needs as a business owner and go through examples to help you to understand if you need a paid accounting software to start with or free accounting software will do its job. So let's find out.
There is an limited list of the aspects to look at. However, I will examine 4 main points that can be considered, helping you to decide if you should pay for your accounting software. But wait! What are the basic functions of an accounting software that you need as a small business owner? Invoicing, bank syncing, accounts payable, accounts receivable, financial statements, user access. So many things to think about and consider, but where to start? Employees. Think, will you take the world on your shoulders on your own, or take on the expertise of someone who knows how and what to do? What I mean by this is, if you are the owner of your business and in turn the only employee, then you will take all responsibilities and duties upon yourself and perform all main business running operations like sales and marketing yourself. But this does not mean that you can't utilize the expertise and services of other companies if you need to. Like production of financial statements, you can outsource to an accounting firm or accountant that is not employed by you and create a seasonal promotion or sales campaign of the business product to the advertising company. In this case, free accounting software will be a good option to go for to manage and control your business operations on your own. There are multiple free accounting softwares that support one user and one accountant access. On another hand, you have built a strong team that is employed by you or you are planning to hire them. Team of a salesperson, accountant, stock or inventory administrator, delivery person. You will take responsibility for their needs and their well-being in your company, but at the same time, they will trade their time and will be dedicated on a daily basis to support your business operations and growth. You will be classed as employer. Free accounting softwares will unlikely support multi-user access, where salesperson, accountant, stock or inventory administrator, delivery person, and you as a business owner would need to carry out your daily tasks and duties. To manage and control your business operations to such extent, the paid accounting software might be an answer for you. business type and specifics. Not all accounting softwares will suit your needs if your business has a more specific or unique business operation. For example, you are operating in the construction industry and you work closely with subcontractors. HMRC have set some rules and requirements under CIS, known as Construction Industry Scheme, on how subcontractors should be paid and how construction workers should invoice and account for VAT. This might be a tedious process to go through. You can get confused and lost in the multiple spreadsheets or manual records to account correctly based on the HMRC rules.
Due to your business type and specifics, you might decide to choose software that can guide you, help to record, and account accordingly on the requirements set. In other words, make your life easier. But most likely, you will be unable to find a free accounting software. There are accounting softwares like Xero and Zoho Books that might suit you better than any other paid or free accounting software, as those two support CIS reporting requirements.
Revenue and stock. In government, the term revenue stream often refers to different types of taxes. But in business, a revenue stream is generally made up of either recurring revenue, transaction-based revenue, project revenue, or service revenue. For example, if you sell only calendars, then this will be a one revenue stream, an easy process to control sales and dispatches. However, if you sell seasonal calendars, flowers, and provide services like venue decoration and flower deliveries, then this will mean that your business has multiple revenue streams. This will in turn dictate the need of managing a stockroom or warehouse facilities. More stock will mean that you will need a more advanced accounting system to control stock movement and even dates of any perishable products.
Free accounting software most likely will support partial revenue and stock control operations, and most likely you will have detailed off-system manual spreadsheets that will cover this gap.
And we all know, where there are manual entries, there most likely will be errors and mistakes made. So to minimize risk of errors, missed and duplicate transactions, the best solution would be to automate these functions. But it will not be free. The investment in a paid accounting software will be required. Payment methods and currency. If you have one or a couple bank accounts and all operations are in the one currency, then free accounting software will support your business needs entirely. However, if you have more than 50 transactions per month on every account, as well as operations in cash, then entering every single transaction on the system might be a tedious process. An automation of adding a bank fee would be an option to consider, but this would not be a free feature.
Bank feed is where your bank account or multiple bank accounts are linked to your system and transactions would appear in your accounting software automatically. You or your accountant are left with the process of categorizing these transactions in your accounting software and allocating to supplier, customer, or any other general ledger account.
Every company behind the free accounting software has an ultimate goal to make a sale, and in turn make you become part of their recurring income generator once you have outgrown the basic needs of the accounting software. This is the reason why free accounting softwares has a limited list of free functions to use on the software. And once your time is more valuable than to manually create additional support calculations or add manual entries, you most likely will upgrade to a paid package to save your time and resources.
The more complicated business operations, more likely you will need a paid accounting software. Consider pricing of accounting softwares in case if your business operations will boom and you will need to upgrade by having more users, stock control and integrated multi-bank feed. Also, check and consider if you will be actually able to upgrade to a paid accounting software package and at what price. However, if you are not sure if this accounting software will serve its purpose for your business operations, then reach out to an accountant and seek his or her advice. So guys, I hope this narrows down your choices and you are able to find an accounting software that's right for you. But if you need a further advice, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching and I will see you next one.